It's been a while we did the market analysis on step index, and I saw a very nice trade opportunity on this index, a nice market setup. So here in today's video, I want us to have a market analysis on step index price action. Basically, I've been analyzing from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame. This higher time frame can be the weekly time frame, the monthly time frame, or the daily time frame. So I want us to analyze starting from the weekly time frame. So on this time frame on step index, you can see the market direction, which is clear. Market is on a downtrend. Always make sure I identify where the market is headed to, the market trend. Whenever I go to a higher time frame, analyzing from a higher time frame, I spot the market trend. So I would have a directional focus on the market. So we got this market move on a downtrend basically at this point. So the next thing I do is to spot my levels and zones. We have one of those interesting levels here, another level at this point, and I think that's the only level we got. And there's a formation which is very close, which we have these bearish order block formation on the weekly time frame. So basically I would be expecting this index to buy to this point for the sells. Remember, this index is still on a downtrend, so the first point is on the downside. The bears are in charge of this market basically, so market can easily sell on the approach of any key level or zone. So I have one of those important levels here. This is a bearish order block on the weekly time frame, so we could see this index go bullish in the coming weeks for price to come test this zone. And if price can move past this level, we have another level for price to get to. This is another strong level of resistance, which was a support level previously. You can see market reactions here, market burn from as a support, right, which happened on the, let's check the date when price got the buy from that zone. It happened on the 19th of June 2022. Roughly 2 years now since price gave this approach of this, like give this support level formation, and we got a retest on it on the 15th of October 2023, right, months ago, 6 to 7 months ago. We got price react on this level as a support level. So we have two key reactions on this level, which was a support before price broke below this level, turning this level to resistance level, because whenever a support level is broken, that level turns to resistance. And we are here to confirm this resistance level until we get price approach this zone, and we should be expecting possible reaction on this level. But the most important thing is to take note of this level and know and understand that there is an interesting zone here which we could see possible market reaction if price is to get to this level. So we have a bearish order block here on the daily time frame, which you can see it clearly on the weekly time frame, right? There's a bearish order block at this point, which I would be expecting price to get to for the sell continuation. This index is on a downtrend, and this point basically is the lowest lows of this index. So there's no point you could say that should be possible reversal points on step index. There's no lows at the moment. This is just the current low the market formed. So is this low going to be the reversal point? We don't know yet. Until we get price retest this level the second time, that's when we can confirm this level to be a strong zone for the buys, right, for the bulls. So coming to the daily time frame, we can see this our identified zone here, which is also a level of resistance, would say level of resistance, because you can see market reaction on this level. Price buying from as a support, give it a test on resistance, the sells, and this formation looks like it is a double top formation, would say, because we got the first highs there and the second highs at this point before the break of the neckline, and the neckline at this point before price broke below the neckline, right? So let's just expect market reaction inside of this box if price is to get to this zone. Looking at what happened previously, we didn't really get a nice test of this zone on this first attempt. Price tried getting to this point, but it failed, right? So I just expect short-term bullish move maybe in the coming days, 2 to 3 days. Now we should expect price test this level, and if price can break past this level, then we'll be seeing price gets to this zone for our possible sells. Remember, this index is on a downtrend, so you should focus on the sell side of the market. We should keep our sell view intact and not forget that this index is still bearish. So we have this downtrend that got broken basically on the daily time frame. This is like a descending channel that price has broken out of. and I'm actually expecting possible buys. I have a zone which I'm expecting price to get to for the buys. Firstly, we have a bullish order block formation here, which price may not get to, which price may not come test. Looking at what has been happening here, this market has been consolidating for days now, right? For 4 or 5 days now, this index has been at a zone, at a range, yet to decide where it's headed to, whether to the upside or to the downside. But I'm anticipating a bullish move, a short-term bullish move, either to this box zone, or for price to move more to this point, for price to move more to this key level of resistance. So that's two moves I'm expecting basically on this index. So how do we take advantage of this short-term buy opportunity? Remember, we're expecting price to move for the buys, to move to the upside for the buys. So how do we take advantage of this wonderful trade opportunity? Looking at the market formation on the 4-hour time frame, on daily time frame, firstly, you can see that there was a break of this zone. This was a strong level of support previously. You can see market reaction here to the support at this point. We got price buy from this identified level. It's a support. First reaction there. Second reaction at this point is support. Third reaction here is support, right? Then we got the retest at this point, resistance. There was a break before this retest. There was a break below this level of support, which we got 3 reactions on. First one at that point, second one here, third one. Before price broke below it, give a retest to enter as a support level, broke on turn resistance. We got this little play around before the sells. Price came to give a proper retest here for another sells, the third sells at this point. And since then, market has been trading above this zone after the break of this level, after getting this reversal pattern formation here, this inverted head and shoulders pattern formation. Price has been trading above this level, the left shoulder there and the right shoulder here is, and this is a bullish reversal pattern formation. So this bullish move we got here is a sign that this index went bullish short term, and we actually got a break of trend due to how market has been consolidating here, being indecisive. Price has been a lot indecisive at this point, and it's trying to give another formation to a bearish formation. This is a head and shoulders pattern formation. So are we to actually get these sells to the downside, or we are to get these buys? I'm actually expecting price to get to this box for the sells, but I don't really know what he's doing right now, because he's trying to form a bearish formation. So if this formation is to mature, is to complete, we would see price sell to the downside. And I mentioned that we have a bullish order block formation here, which we shouldn't overlook, right, on the daily time frame at this point. So if price can sell to the downside, then we'll be expecting price to get to this point, to contest this order block level here. This order block level here, expecting price to contest this order block level. Let me darken this. Let me darken it. Yeah, fill it up and make it light blue. Okay, we're expecting price to get to this zone for the buys, and there's another formation too on the 4-hour time frame, which is looking also interesting, which we got here. We got this bullish order block on the 4-hour time frame, which we could also see price get to and react to it, and changing nature. We could see price get to this bullish order block and also react to it on the 4-hour time frame here at this point, at this zone. And looking at market formations here previously, you can see all market has been doing on test of this zone. We get market reactions here, so resistance here, resistance. So if price can sell to this point, which we have a bullish order block at, we could also see possible reaction at a resistance level, which this level was previously, turning to a support level, adding to this order block formation we got on the 4-hour time frame. So this market is looking a lot indecisive with a couple of bullish and bearish formations, right? But we have to be very technical to understand what the market wants to do. And on the 4-hour time frame, on the 1-hour time frame, sorry, we got this higher lows formation, which is a bullish formation. So this 1-hour time frame is looking bullish, kind of, regardless of these sales we're getting here. But we could see possible reversal from this point. We could expect price to buy on the test of this zone on the 1-hour time frame. And on the 4 hour time frame too, if price can break below this level, then we'll be seeing markets head down to this zone. We also have a bearish formation on the 4 hour time frame, which is a head and shoulders pattern formation. The reasons why we should be very much careful on decision making on this index, right? So the 1 hour time frame is looking good, it's looking bullish, and we've got this 3 higher lows formation here, which is a bullish structure as well. So I think that on a possible test of any level, we could be expecting a bullish move on this index. Remember, our focus is still, our target is still price moving to the upside to come test this zone, this other block level we spotted on the daily time frame. Sorry, the daily time frame. Expecting price to move to the upside to come test this other block. This was actually spotted on the weekly time frame. Expecting the bullish move to this point for any sells, before any sells, or bullish move to this zone before any sells. So we are short-term bullish basically. So we should pay attention to our short-term bullish view on this index and look out for possible buy opportunities because expecting the buys. And we can see market formation already on the 1 hour time frame, which is looking bullish. This index creating 3 higher lows formation, so we could see more buys basically. Looking at this structure too below here, these higher lows and the higher highs here. So on the retest of this level, I could be looking out for possible buy opportunities on step index, and I'll be having my first TP level here. TP level here because we have an interesting formation at this point. Second TP level could possibly be at this point, and the next TP level would maybe be on our box zone here, our sell point on the daily time frame, which is spotted on the daily time frame and on the weekly time frame. So that's it, guys. That's my market analysis and market view on step index. I'm short-term bullish for long-term sells. Stating the market structure on the higher time frame, we could see that this index is still on a downtrend, so we shouldn't be distracted with the short-term bullish move. And also note that this index is still on a downtrend, so the bears are still in charge of this market regardless of looking out for short-term buy opportunities. All right, so before price could get to our buy level, before price can get to our sell zone, we should be expecting the buys on step index. So that is, guys, that's my market analysis and market breakdown on step index. Price action basically was able to analyze from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame for possible trade opportunities. So hit the like button and drop a good comment on this video from a market analysis like this. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate your support. Please engage in my videos. So let me support, guys. Let's do more and have a day.